Cramer Mountain, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are looking for reliable pressure washing in Cramer Mountain, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. Our team has helped property owners in Cramer Mountain, NC, maintain their sidewalks and driveways, removing dirt and grime that can lead to safety hazards. We also power wash residential decks and patios, restoring the beauty of these outdoor living spaces for families and friends to enjoy on warm summer evenings. As you explore your home's exterior in Cramer Mountain, North Carolina, remember that even the smallest areas can be impacted by dirt and grime, from sidewalk cracks to tree bark, all require attention. In addition to property maintenance, we also power wash local businesses, like restaurants and stores on Main Street, helping them regain a clean, welcoming atmosphere for customers after heavy usage or seasonal changeouts. Pressure washing is a simple and effective way to clean outdoor surfaces, like driveways, sidewalks, and decks, removing dirt, grime, and mildew with powerful water jets. If you are looking for pressure washing in Cramer Mountain, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and affordable pressure washing services to clean your home's exterior today. Click the link below to learn more.